1. Adjust the track first. Adjust it so that the terminal can pass smoothly without getting stuck. Remove the baffle plate here first and then adjust the track size. Two. Replace the feeding baffle. Select the baffle plate of corresponding size and replace it. After installation, push the baffle to allow the terminal to fall normally. 3. Replace the feeding tube. The direction of the notch of the feeding tube should be aligned. 4. Replace the threading fixture. Please confirm whether it matches before changing. After the replacement, the outline of the terminal must not be visible. Five. Replace the catheter. First match the wire to the catheter, then replace it. 6. Debugging parameters. First turn off the terminal function and turn on the twisting function normally. Reset it. First, strip a wire in single-step mode. After stripping it, check if there is any damage to the wire core. If the wire core is damaged, adjust the knife value and the knife retraction value. Put the terminal on first to see if the wire is long enough. Here is the total length of the setting line. Here you can set the wire output. After adjusting it, you can turn on the terminal function. Test again with single step. In this way, a complete wire is processed. The parameters inside can adjust the speed. This is the base position. This is the lagging depth. This is the interruption retreat. the value of the line retreating after pressing. Here you can adjust the depth of the pressure. This normally does not need to be changed. Most values do not need to be changed. Generally, you only need to adjust the end depth and crimping height. The larger the value, the tighter the pressure. Adjust the twisting parameters here. This is the position, which is basically fixed and can be fine-tuned. Here is the function setting. Just turn on what you need. Here is the manual debugging interface. It is used to check a single action. If the machine fails, you can test it here. Here is I/O monitoring.